Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn a Father's Day special art. The material required for this are basic stationery, black color pen, and black color acrylic paint. As I always suggest, draw the base with the help of pencil so that if you do any mistake, you can correct it. As we are providing certificate for this, do watch the video till end and practice it. Share it to the mentioned number given in the description box for certificate. Now with the help of black pen, we will draw the boundary. When the black color pen work dry out, we will erase it with the help of eraser. Now with the help of acrylic black paint, we will paint it to the part shown in the video. You can use black sketch pen also, but it will take time. So here I am using acrylic black paint. Hoping you guys are enjoying making this awesome art. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment your feedback in the comment box of video. Do share this to your art lovers.